Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you about IFT. If this, then that. This is a fabulous service that allows you to create new recipes, is what they call them, to automate things in your life. So if something happens here, then do this other thing. If this, then that. So once you have an account, when you log in, you're going to create a recipe. That's what they're called. And so we're going to click on the big this link, and it's going to give us our trigger channels. These are all of the different channels that you can have to allow different things to happen. So you could have, if I add a new contact in my iOS contacts, then send a connection request on LinkedIn. If I have a new iOS photo, add it to my Google Drive. There's all kinds of the possibilities are nearly endless with this. But today, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up a recipe for if you apply a specific label in Gmail, it will forward that message to somewhere else. So we're going to go ahead and type in Gmail here to pull up the Gmail trigger. Now, my Gmail account is already authenticated with IFT. If yours, when you're starting this new, you'll have to authenticate your account. So what I want to do here, as you can see, there's several options, but for today I want to say if there's a new email in the inbox that has a specific label. So we're going to click this one. And the label that I'm going to use is receipts. So basically what I'm doing here is when I get an email receipt from an online service or even email receipts from stores, since so many retail stores are now allowing you to receive your receipts electronically, when I get a receipt, I apply a specific label to it, my receipts label, and basically I want those to be automatically forwarded to a different address that I'm going to specify. So when I have an email that I apply the receipts label to, and we're going to go ahead and create the trigger here. So this is our beginning. We did our this, then that. What do I want it to do? And so we're going to go back to Gmail. And I want it to send an email to. And I need to. So what I'm actually going to do with this is this fun little service I found called PDF Convert. And so any email that you send to this address, it will automatically basically print it to a PDF and send it right back to you. The messages don't supposedly exist on their servers, only long enough to perform the action, and then they delete it. And so this is a good, easy way to make a PDF record of things. So I'm going to copy this email address here because this is where I want to send my messages to in my IFT recipe that I'm making. Okay. Subject, we'll just keep it as the same subject. In the body, I'm actually going to take out all of this because I don't want any of this stuff to be in the body. I'm going to leave it at body plain. And that's going to just transfer the body of my message. So my attachment URL, if I have an attachment, then it'll do that too. And we're going to go ahead and create the action and activate it. So if I receive a new email in my Gmail account with a label of receipts, then you're going to send an email from me to the PDF convert.me. So let's see, this is going to be receipts. Okay, this is my label title, so my recipe title, sorry, so that I can easily look at my recipes and know which one it is. So it's going to take me back to all of my recipes now, but you'll see that this one here is at the top. If I send to receipts, then automatically forward it to pdfconvert.me. So now I'm going to test it. So let's go back into my email. And this is actually one that I just sent to them, but we're going to go ahead and forward this anyhow. So let's apply the label of receipts. Okay, so my label has been applied. Let's go back to our IFT. And you don't usually have to run this. It does usually happen fairly automatically, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to force it to run now so that we can see it has been triggered one time. So if we go back into my email now, we should see that it has created our new message. So this is the message I just got back from the pdfconvert.me, and here is my message that's attached as a PDF, the original message that I sent to it. Then my computer does not want to open right now because that's the way my life goes when I'm trying to record a video. Anyway, so it's a fun little service. The pdfconvert.me is a fun little service, but also IFT is a fantastic service uh, for all kinds of conversions. Again, I use it for a lot of different things. I've used it for some of the other recipes that I have are if there's an RSS item in a specific newsfeed that I want to get an email, if there's a new item, if I favorite a tweet that I want it to automatically create a note in my Evernote notebook. These are different RSS feeds that I want to receive an email when there's an update. If I post a new video to YouTube, then I want you to automatically send a tweet and automatically upload my Facebook page. So there's all kinds of things that you can do. The possibilities are nearly endless with IFT. And if you go into browse, you can see lots of other recipes that people have made public, and then you can save those recipes and basically import them into your own account and apply them to your own accounts and services that you have. So it's pretty cool. If you have any questions on it, feel free to let me know or tweet me or find me on my Facebook page at facebook.com/beyondtheoffice, and we'll get you all sorted out. Thanks for watching. Bye.